back to the channel. Today here for the GT-1 we're going to take a look at the signal chain and its basic navigation and overlook. So if we press memory edit button here, it will take us directly into the signal chain. And within our signal chain here we can see the overall layout of the different effects. And depending on which type of effect that we have placed our cursor on, we have a selection of different options down here that we can choose from. Right now I am on the FX1 block here, and with all effects I have the option to use knob number 1 over here to scroll through and select the different effects block. I have the option to move it around if I wish to switch its position. And on effects where you have the ability to select between different types of effects, you have the type control on knob number 3. If we use the select knob and scroll through the patch here, you can see the basic layout of the signal chain. FX1 can act as your compressor or any type of effect that you would like to have before a preamp, just like the overdrive and the pedal effects, which in this case acts as the wah pedal. If we go along here, you can see right after the preamp we have the noise gauge, which is going to eliminate any noise coming from our overdrive or distortions, and also the preamp models if we're using those. And right after that we have our foot volume, which let us control the amount of volume coming through. After the foot volume we have FX2, and again it acts just like FX1. You have the type selection of effects, and once again we can move it if we wish to switch around its position. Effects number 2 is generally used for any type of effect that you would like to have after the preamp. So in this case it could be a chorus, a flanger or a phaser, and basically any type of modulation effect that you would place after the preamp. When we get to the delay and reverb blocks here, these are always placed right at the end of the signal chain, because time-based effects, especially delay and its little brother, if you can call it that, reverb, will always be placed so that it is after the preamp. And lastly we have the master selection here, in which if you press enter over here you can go in and change different patch settings, like your beats per minute and the key of the patch, low, mid and high gain, and some frequency if you wish to do that. So yeah, a different overlook at the signal chain here, and if you stick to the basic layout here that almost any of the patches are provided, then you should be good. Of course you can always move around if you need FX1 to be after the preamp or FX2 to be before the preamp. It just depends on what sound you're after and which type of effect that you want to use within your patches. So a quick little overlook on the signal chain here, how you access it, and what your basic type of operations would be within here. So once again, thanks for watching guys. I will see if I can put out more videos soon. As always, leave requests or comments in the section below, and I'll see you very soon.